Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations with my daughter, Sherry.
Hi.
And we're going to be doing the Creative Notions unboxing. There's a little Creative Notions symbol. And it is a green and white gingham bag this time, which I think is adorable. So let's just take a look. I'm going to put it all out here on the table and we'll check it out. Or maybe we won't check it out. Let's see. There we go.
Wait, there's something in there.
Okay. Alrighty, so we have, and we can do every other one if you want.
Okay.
Alright, so here's Megan's favorite things. She's not here, she's at her friend's house. There's Megan's favorite.
So they're mine.
And they're Tootsie Rolls.
Yes, I said that.
Ooh, I didn't know that. Okay. And then we have a enamel pen. That's real pretty. Oh, look at that. Grandmother's Flower Garden. That is nice. Look at the back of that. Very nice one. Yes. Alrighty, so here is the pamphlet and let's begin. So normally, let's see here, do the fabric last, but here's some things tucked in the fabric, so let's take them out first. I think that's everything. Yep. Okay. So we have a Dream, Believe, and Soar, a card. Now let's see what they're calling the card. They are calling that, oh, the Farm Girl card.
Ham knows him. Looking in it, see if there's
I don't think
anything in it.
No,
Oh, no,
you
it's blank.
write your own stuff.
It's blank. It's cute though.
And then let me take the ruler this month is orange, and it's a 6.5-inch square up. And Megan's collecting the rulers, so she gets the ruler.
What? I get 2 pieces of Tootsie Roll and she gets a ruler?
I didn't say you were getting 2 pieces of Tootsie Rolls.
Well.
Okay, we have the Subscriber Block of the Month competition by Patricia Perryman, and it's called Bright Star. Here's what it looks like. And there's how you're going to make it. It has the directions. All of them are on the paper. You want to go ahead and tell this one here?
Okay. Quilt Idea puzzle.
That's pretty nice. You know what that makes me think of? Those things they put together that the kids on the mat on the floors for the kids.
Oh yeah, in kindergarten, the nap time mats or whatever.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's going to be a 58 by 76. Here, you can do that one. And here's another one.
Oh, now this one's finished size is 47-inch by 53-inch. It's called a Rosy Throw Quilt Idea, and that's what that one looks like.
And that right there is the panel, I think, right here, which you can hold.
Farm Girls Unite.
You want to hold the panel up?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. That's going to be good.
That's going to be a big panel.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, yeah.
I'll hold one end of it if you want.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, very nice.
I like it.
Oh, yeah.
Can I get one?
I believe you can get them on the website.
Oh, can you?
Yeah, just set that aside and we'll fold it here in a minute. And then we have the ruler wall storage and ruler weight cover. And that's a pattern. That looks pretty nice. And they've given us the door hanging set. So you notice up here at the top, to hang across your door. And here's that package right there. So it comes so that you can do that. You can hang it up on the door if you get it done. And it is, let's see, the panel is 36 by 42. That's pretty nice, isn't it?
Yes.
And that in itself can be the quilt if you want to hang on the door. Or you can change it up.
Yeah,
and then of course it tells you all the things that you need on the back. Everything's on the back here. And how to put it together. Oh, look at that.
To cut up the panel and use it for something else?
If you wanted to. Here.
Rather than not leaving it as a panel. Yeah.
Okay,
That's nice.
so this is your, is it the ruler weight cover? No, what is that? Oh, a camper weight cover. Oh, look at that. That's how they make it right here. Look at this. That's a little storage. And it looks like a little camper. It's got the little wheels and the door. That's cute. Okay. Now we have, here is the Maker Planners 2021 block of the month. Let me take it out of there because that always puts a shine on the camera. So here's one. That's pretty neat looking. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And the next one is it got two parts?
I don't know. I thought there's two different blocks.
Okay, so this is your shoe fly block of the month. I believe we're getting 3 of them in this box. And what's yours?
It's the Jewel Sampler Quilt Chain Link block of the month, and it is that right there.
That's nice looking.
It's hard to see it on the camera, but it looks. I like it.
That's good. Okay,
and put it back in here.
No, just set it aside.
Okay.
Because we're going to do it here in a second. Now let's go ahead and show our fabric. Because our fabric is next. So we have 7 fat quarters.
You want me to take it out?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so
just
it came in a square first, but this is all of them together. So then you have the first one has strawberries on it.
That's nice.
You can see that. Yep.
With the gingham.
Oh.
You can go ahead and open it.
Huh?
You can go ahead and open it up. Yeah, by all means, open it up. Let them see it. You can always fold it back when we're done with it. Yeah, open it. Yeah. Look at how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? That'll look good with our Fort Worth fabric blocks with those strawberries. Let me show this one. This is the Farm Girl Produce. Look at that one. Isn't that neat looking? I like that. That's pretty.
I'm wrong. There are 2 panels of strawberry. That was.
Yeah.
Hang on a second. So you see there are 2. And this is red. Now, what does that look like? Does that almost look like the movie we just watched, right?
Yeah. We watched the movie
Tangled.
Tangled.
Yes.
And that's this
and that little
emblem right there. Yeah, it looks
right
like
there was on
hers.
the Mobile.
Right.
When she was an infant.
And then here's this real pretty flowers. These remind me of wildflowers, where you throw those seeds all over. And that's what that looks like.
These almost look like daisies. Almost.
And what's the little red? Those
like what red?
They almost look like little ladybugs from a distance there. Yeah. And there is beautiful, beautiful fabric. All the Farm Girl collection. And we'll lay it all out here so you can have a look at it. And we'll pan through it real slow for you.
And then here's the last one. It's red and has little flowers all over it, like that. It's pretty.
And then let me. Oops, sorry about that.
Twice now I've done that too.
So the June winners, the project winner is Patty Griffin. The scrap project winner is Catherine Hornberger. The recipe winner is Suzanne Hubert, and the block winner, and there's 2 of them, it's Patricia Perryman and Angela Stoutinger. And the fabric guest winner, it says Missing Quilt Idea?
Guess winner, not guest.
Oh, guess. And it said that the quilt pattern was missing in last month's bag, so they included it in this bag. Well, which one is that?
Well, hang on, let me see it again.
Which one's the one that's missing?
Missing Quilt Idea. You may have noticed that the Quilt Idea pattern. A Quilt Idea pattern.
Well, this is Rosie. No, that's not it. The puzzle here.
Oh, one of these, there it is. That was missing.
So this is
from
the
last.
one, yeah, that should have been in last month.
Got it.
Now on the back, they're showing the primary colors and, what would you call that? See, that to me makes me think of Easter colors. Gelati? Gelati, like the Jello?
Or Gilati, depending on how you pronounce it, the G.
There's the 2 colors. This almost looks like a real pale color. I really like this color though. That's pretty neat. And it's weird that that looks like that. I mean, the picture here looks totally different than when you put it together because of these little circles. But they're like puzzle pieces anyway. Okay, so like I said, we're going to lay it out here so everybody can see it. Did you want to say anything else about it?
It's very nice. I like it.
Okay. All right, Megan will like all her rulers. She's not getting any of that candy. I'm telling you, she is not here.
And apparently neither am I.
No, you are. You can get it. I think it's cute that it's red, white, and blue. Look, for July, for patriotic. All right, let's lay it out here on the table. Alrighty, here's everything that was in the bag. I've turned the overhead light on so I don't have a glare. There's all the fat quarters.
Are they really fat quarters?
Yeah, they're called fat quarters. No. I really like that wall hanging. I think we're going to have to do that. Definitely.
Okay.
That's a nice project.
All right. Just keep me updated on your progress.
I thought you would come over and do it. Okay, so what did we find out the value of the bag was? What was it?
$100.
And how much was the price of the bag?
$45.
There you go.
$45.
Okay. We gotta show the candy because she keeps tapping at it. I think she wants a piece.
Yes, candy. It's chocolate.
If you want it, you can have it. Go ahead and pick it up. I wanted to move this off here so we could see the three quilts.
And if
the name
anybody,
of them.
and if anybody has watched any of my videos, they would know that I had made a true statement. Keep me updated on your progress. Because I can't cut fabric in a straight line.
That's all right. I'll help you. Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching. This was a fantastic box. I really like everything in it, especially that panel. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get my... Whoop, let me get that light off there. I can't wait to get that started. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. Thanks, Vicki. You always knock it out of the park, girl. I don't know how you come up with all your ideas, but you sure do. I love them. Megan's going to be upset that she missed this unboxing, but hey, she's not here.
We don't have to tell her that the ruler's in there, do we? Because, you know, the candy and the ruler, they could...
Oh my gosh, we're going to have a war on the rulers now. Okay. Bye-bye, everybody.